Hello friends, Deblina from Srijan Dance Academy, and in today's lesson I will talk about Kamali. Kamali bowls have some specific calculation. You can fit them in Chakradar Toda category or in Chakradar Paran category, but unlike a normal Chakradar Toda or a normal Chakradar Paran, Kamali has some specific rules. The specific rule of Kamali is that the Tihai portion of a Kamali should include Dha, 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 and then you have to repeat the Tihai portion itself thrice. That means you need to do a Chakradar Tihai. So in that Chakradar Tihai, the Dha is then going to be repeated 9 times. Okay, Dha, 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 Dha. Now before these 3 Dhas, you can add any other language, any other Bhasha bowl that you want. But just having 3 Dhas in my Tihai portion is not enough to create a Kamali bowl. What is unique about Kamali is that when you are saying this Dha, 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 you have to notice that when I am doing the bowl for the first time, the first Dha out of these 9 Dhas should fall on Sam. When I do the bowl the second time, the second Dha of the second phrase means the 5th Dha in total. Dha, 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 Dha. The 5th Dha should come in Sam. And when I do the bowl for the third time, the last Dha of the third phrase of Tihai, that is the 9th Dha, that should fall on Sam. So in the first part, the first Dha should come in Sam. In the second part, the 5th Dha should come in Sam. And when I do it for the third time, the 9th Dha should come in Sam. Now, this is only possible when your Tihai begins somewhere between 13th to 16th matra, and after that Bhasha, whatever Bhasha you have taken, the first Dha should come here. So here I will be using the language Gadi Ghina Dha Dha Dha. So Gadi Ghina should be here on the 16th matra, and then Dha will fall on Sab. So if I start my Tihai portion from 16th matra, then I need a language, a Bhasha of 15th matra. Okay, when I take a language of 15th, when I take a bowl of 15th matra and then add the Tihai portion, then only my calculation of Kamali will be perfect. As I do the bowl in Trital, obviously keep looking at the screen so that you can see the language, and at the same time keep looking at the highlighted portion, because those are the Tihai portions including the 3 Dhas, and whichever Dha is coming in Sam, the 1st, the 5th and the 9th, I have made it bold so that when you see that, it is easier for you to understand, and also you can have a clear idea about the calculation that is done for a Kamali bowl. Let's go. Dhetta Gadi Ghina Nagetete Gadi Ghina Dha Kran Dha Kran Dha. Dhetta Gadi Ghina Nagetete Gadi Ghina Dha Kran Dha Gadi Ghina Dha 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 Gadi Ghina Dha 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 Gadi Ghina Dha Dha Dha. Dhetta Gadi Ghina Nagetete Gadi Ghina Dha Kran Dha Kran Dha. Dhetta Gadi Ghina Nagetete Gadi Ghina Dha Kran Dha Gadi Ghina Dha 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 Gadi Ghina Dha 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 Gadi Ghina Dha Dha Dha. Dhetta Gadi Ghina Nagetete Gadi Ghina Dha Kran Dha Kran Dha. Dhetta Gadi Ghina Nagetete Gadi Ghina Dha Kran Dha Gadi Ghina Dha 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 Gadi Ghina Dha 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 Gadi Ghina Dha Dha Dha. So you have seen that how the first Dha in the first phrase, the 5th Dha in the second phrase, and the 9th Dha in the third phrase is falling on Sam. Now this was a Chakradar Paran in Trital, which I have fit into the category of Kamali. While you follow the mathematics, the calculation behind creating such unique bowls, you can do it in any Tal you wish, but for that you just have to understand the mathematics and keep it in mind. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Hopefully you are enjoying my channel. Please do like the videos if you feel they are helpful, and also subscribe to the channel.